stop to think, what are we free for? What can we do to make life better for the others far, far away that we don't even know, but we know they're suffering? Emancipation is something that we all can enjoy. And I'm hoping the few years that I have left, I will see more and more emancipation and real emancipation.
When we put this together. First of all, would people show up at 11:30 p.m. when they had to work the following morning? And the answer is a resounding yes. A big round of applause for you guys. We know that it was a difficult journey trying to get 800 people to 1,000 on TTC. We could not have done it without the cooperation of TTC, so a big round of applause. We also had another big concern, and that was, this was not usual at 12:30 in the morning that we're going to have so many people exiting down to the subway station. So we got in contact with Precinct 31, and said, if you see us unloading a lot of black people, we're in peace and love because it's Emancipation Day.
Actually, a very long time ago, this was referred to as Watch Night. And it was referred to as Watch Night because people had to be concerned that the Emancipation Proclamation wasn't really going to go through. And they were gathering in churches and literally watching to see if slave catchers would break in the door to grab them and put them back into slavery. So I think that no one mentioned the importance of why we're doing it on the eve, because this was a really critical time, and it was when people gathered together and found security and support amongst each other.
The use of this transfer, anyone signals they were a passenger on the Toronto annual Freedom Ride and recognizes that on August 1st is celebrated as Emancipation Day here in Canada and around the world. This transfer is issued on condition that whoever uses it is committed to the liberation of African peoples, Native peoples, working class people, women, and all who face the experience oppression globally. This transfer is good for a lifetime that is committed to social justice. The transfer is transferable as it stands on the shoulders of Harriet Tubman and all great freedom fighters that came before. It encourages the holder of it to lead by example and to transfer the principles of unity, self-determination, faith, creativity, and community building to youth.
Good people, thank you for the applause, but we are who we are because of others. So I thank all the wonderful people, the Coalition of Black Trade Unionists, Zero Gun Violence. I thank the QP members. I thank the ACHA members for being part of it. I thank the people of Bethel Restoration Ministries also for their awesome support. But more importantly, I thank you. And I also want you to give a round of applause to Miss Nelson, who journeyed with us. She's now 93. 93 is she's royal. I have Miss Barbara Thomas, another stalwart in the community, and she's also to assisting Miss Nelson, and she came tonight just to be with her and make her feel good and comfortable and love her up. So clap her up, Miss Barbara Thomas. Want to also thank to Sister Tiki Mercury Clark, also too for her incredible gift of song and music. And I want to thank the poet Greg Frankson. You probably hear him on CBC Weekly, bringing you social commentary through his poetry. Give him a round of applause also. And the wonderful thing too about tonight is we left a station which was under construction. We left something that was old and being repaired, and we've come to a station now of newness. So I hope throughout the day we are going to see the world and today in a new way. And I encourage you each and every day when we wake up that we can see each other and the world in a new way. Sometimes people say we need to love ourselves. But tonight, this is a public demonstration. Just like Carnival is a public expression of emancipation, tonight is a public demonstration of how much we love ourselves. And I want to say publicly that I think that we are united. It's just we don't hear it often enough. So clap yourselves on that one.